Hey kiddos, good morning. It's calendar time. Let's get started. All right, do you remember what month we're in? It's the month of September. That's right, it is September. And yesterday was Thursday. If yesterday was Thursday, what does that mean today is? Here's today. Or yesterday, excuse me, here was yesterday, the 24th. We come to the next day, it's empty because we have to get the date up there. What day of the week is it? Let's sing to remember. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. What is it? It's Friday! Today is Friday, and that means tomorrow will be Saturday. All right, so there's today under the Friday. All right, yesterday was the 24th. What does that mean today is? All right, we're going to have to count. Are you going to count with me? I'm not going to count by myself, right? Say it out loud with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. What's the next number? 25. Yeah. So today's date is Friday, September 25. Awesome job. All right. Since this is a video today, how about you all go check the weather for me? Take a peek outside. What does it look like? Go check. Go ahead. You're going to have to tell your grown-up at home. Since this is a video today, you can tell your grown-up at home what the weather is like. Is it sunny or cloudy? Is it windy? Is it cold or chilly? Or is it warm? Or is it hot outside? Which one? Tell your grown-up. All right, let's get another cube worth 1 into the ones pocket. Yesterday we had 8 ones in there. You can see them on our 10 frame right here. Do you remember we had 8? We just put another one in. How many ones do we have in the ones pocket now? I'm going to erase that 8 because it's not 8 anymore. You want to count them on the 10 frame? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ones in the ones pocket now. All right, are you ready to write a 9? Write it with me. Get your fingers ready. Blink. You write it with me. Here we go. Make a loop and then a line. That's the way to make a 9. I'm going to write a 9 down here too to show that on our 10 frame we have 9 counters. How many more until we get to 10? Only 1 more and we'll have 10. Oh, how exciting. All right, so 9 ones. How many 10s are in our tens pocket? Just 1. But what's the value of this 1? This 1 10 is worth 10. Yeah, that 10 stick is worth 10. So we have a 10 and 9 ones. That makes the number 19. You guys are 19-day-old kindergartners. Good job. We are rocking kindergarten, don't you think? I think so. All right, did we do all of the calendar pieces? I think so. Let's do shapes really quick. I'll hold it up. You say the name with me. Are you ready? Let's see. Yesterday, we only did 3-dimensional shapes. Today, let's do all of them. All right, 2-dimensional shapes first. 2-dimensional shapes. Are those the flat ones or the solid ones? 2-dimensional shapes are the flat ones. Let's look. What's the name of that shape? Circle. No sides, no vertices. 2-dimensional. Name it. Hexagon. 6 sides, 6 vertices, 2-dimensional. What about this one? Triangle. 3 sides, 3 vertices, 2-dimensional. What about this one? Square. 4 sides, 4 vertices, 2-dimensional. How about square's cousin? What's square's cousin's name? Rectangle. 4 sides, 4 vertices, 2-dimensional. But wait a minute. Now what shape is it? Still a rectangle. All right, is that all of the 2-dimensional ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. You ready for 3-dimensional shapes? Those are the solid ones. Cone has 1 flat surface. It can slide. It can stack. It can roll. Very good. What about this one? Do you remember? Say it. Cylinder. It has 2 flat surfaces and a curved surface, so it can roll, it can stack, and it can slide. What about this one? Remember yesterday, Antonio reminded us that in real life, ice cubes could look like this. That must mean it's a cube. Yeah, it has lots of flat surfaces, 6 flat surfaces that are shaped like a square. And since it has all these flat surfaces, it can stack. It can slide. Can it roll? No, it doesn't have any curved surfaces. It just has flat surfaces. And our last 3-dimensional shape. Are you ready? It's floating in. It's floating in. What is it? It looks like an orange. Isn't it orange? No, it could be one in real life. Oranges are the shape of a sphere. Say it, sphere. That's right. And a sphere is a 3-dimensional shape that can roll. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. It almost rolled away. And can it stack? Nope. Can it slide? Nope. Just roll because it's curved all around. Great job. All right, let's get ready for a new letter. All right, here we go. Yesterday we learned P that says P. Good job. All right, let's go to the next one. Let's sing to get there. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. Our next letter is Q. Let's try to write it. Are you getting your whiteboard ready? I got my marker. I got my whiteboard. A Q goes like this. Make a circle. That's kind of crooked. Let me try that again. Good thing these erase. Make a circle and give it a little leg. Make a circle and give it a little leg. That's kind of funny. And let me show you lowercase q. Lowercase q starts about right here. We go up and around, stick down, give it a tail. Let me try that one again. That one's tricky. Start about right here. Up and around, stick down, give it a tail. And that is lowercase q. Capital Q, lowercase q, and the sound is qua. Can you make that sound? Qua. Qua. The Q says qua. Do it with me. The Q says qua. Very good. All right, I've got a little pocket of things to show you. Do you see that I moved my little blue pocket here? Let me dig in here. I've got some things to show you. Oh, don't peek. Don't peek. All right, I've got capital Q. I've got lowercase q. Oh, look at that. that one doesn't have a tail. Yeah, sometimes people write it without a tail. I like the tail on it though. That's lowercase q. I hope I didn't show that to you backwards. I've got some pictures of things that start with Q. Look at this boy. What is he telling us to do? Shh. He's saying be quiet. Quiet starts with Q because it says qu at the beginning. What about this? Do you know what this symbol means? It's a question. Yeah, we write this when we ask a question. Question starts with Q because it says qua at the beginning. What about this one? She looks a little grumpy. Think she's grumpy or happy? I hope she's happy. She's the queen. Queen starts with Q because it says qua at the beginning. Look at this. These, they didn't give them the tail either on that Q. We're going to talk about that. Flap, 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 flap. What is that? It is a duck. You're right, it's a duck. But what does a duck say? A duck says quack. And quack starts with Q because it says qua at the beginning. And what about this? This one's kind of hard to tell what it is. Some of you are saying blanket. It is a blanket, but it's a fancy kind of blanket called a quilt. Yeah, quilt starts with Q because it says qua at the beginning. Nice job. All right, let's come back to these writing our Qs. I'm going to erase that lowercase q. In fact, let's just do both of them again. All right, for capital Q, make a circle, give it a little leg. See how that leg is kind of off to the side? Okay. Lowercase q starts right here. Come up and around, stick down. Now, you could stop right there, okay? But sometimes you'll see Q has a little tail. And I like it better with that little tail. I think it's easier to tell what it is. But you're going to see Q like that sometimes too, and we have to be able to know both of them. Just like this. Look at this word. It's the quilt again. Do you see that the Q, it doesn't have the little tail? So sometimes you're going to see it like this. Sometimes we're going to see it like this. Okay? So, but if you want to write it this way, it's fine. But Mrs. Barnard likes it with the tail. Okay? All right, great job. Make sure you practice writing those. All right, practice writing Q and making the sound. The Q says qua. Good job. All right, kiddos, that's it for calendar time today. I'll see you soon.